Welcome back! Today we're showcasing a lineup of clever gadgets perfect for small apartments, from space-saving marvels to multifunctional tools that transform tight spaces. Check out the links in the description to snag your favorites. Let's get started. The wall-mounted wood table is a versatile piece that serves as a desk, dining table, or vanity, making it perfect for maximizing small spaces. Mounted with two sturdy metal brackets, it adds an industrial flair to your decor while providing functionality. Whether you're working, dining, or getting ready, this table is an excellent addition to your home. The nesting mixing bowl and measuring cup set is ideal for compact kitchens as it maximizes vertical space in your cabinets. This stackable set keeps your essentials organized and compact, making it easy to access what you need while saving valuable storage space. Perfect for all your cooking and baking needs, this set is both functional and space-saving. The storage ottoman is a multifunctional piece that not only stores extra bedding or clothes, but also serves as a makeshift table. With cushions that flip to reveal convenient trays, it's perfect for entertaining guests. This versatile ottoman combines practicality and style, making it an excellent addition to any living space. The hidden floating bookshelf is an innovative solution for storing your favorite books without sacrificing valuable floor space. This clever design keeps your reads accessible while stylishly keeping them out of the way. Ideal for any room, this bookshelf adds a modern touch to your decor while maximizing your storage options. The multi-purpose pantry rack is designed to help you organize pots, lids, bakeware, and cutting boards, ensuring that every inch of your kitchen works harder for you. This practical rack maximizes your storage space, making it easier to access your essentials while keeping your kitchen neat and tidy. Perfect for optimizing your pantry or kitchen cabinets. This rack is a must-have for any home chef. The cabinet door organizer is designed to attach to your cabinet door, providing quick access to frequently used items such as cutting boards, baking sheets, and other kitchen essentials. This clever organizer helps maximize your storage space while keeping your kitchen neat and efficient, making it an essential addition for any home cook. The acrylic bookends with storage slots are a stylish solution for organizing your workspace. These elegant bookends feature slots designed to hold loose papers, file folders, and magazines, making them a functional and sophisticated addition to any desk. Keep your documents tidy and easily accessible while adding a touch of modern decor to your office or home. The cascading file organizer is ideal for wall-mounted storage, ensuring your documents stay organized and easily accessible without occupying valuable desk space. This efficient file holder helps declutter your workspace while keeping your important papers within reach, making it a practical addition to any office or home. The 5-foot ladder rack is a stylish and practical storage solution that leans against your wall, perfect for storing throw blankets or hanging clothes with S-hooks. Its minimalist design adds an aesthetic touch to your decor while maximizing vertical space, making it a versatile addition to any room. The magnetic kitchen rack is designed to free up valuable counter space by providing a stylish and efficient way to store essentials like oils, spices, utensils, and dish towels. This sleek rack utilizes strong magnets to keep your kitchen organized and within easy reach, making it a practical addition to any culinary space. The slide-out storage cart is perfect for maximizing narrow gaps in your kitchen, bathroom, or laundry room. This slim storage solution fits seamlessly between appliances and walls, making it ideal for tight spaces. Keep your essentials organized and easily accessible while optimizing your storage potential with this versatile cart. The corner shelf is an excellent solution for displaying your decor pieces, photos, and knickknacks while saving valuable floor space. This stylish shelf fits perfectly into any corner, allowing you to showcase your favorite items without sacrificing style. Enhance your home decor with this practical and attractive addition. The collapsible dish rack is designed to save counter space in your kitchen. This foldable dish rack can be easily stored in a cabinet when you need extra room for meal prep, making it a practical and convenient addition to your kitchen essentials. Enjoy the flexibility of having a dish rack that doesn't take up space when not in use. The Golden Girls dishwasher magnet is a fun and practical addition to your kitchen that helps you keep track of which dishes are clean. This charming magnet is essential for managing limited cabinet space and implementing a neat rotation system, making it both a whimsical and functional tool for your home. The storage bed frame features 13 inches of underbed storage space, making it ideal for organizing shoe bags, containers, and luggage. This stylish upgrade provides a sleek alternative to a mattress on the floor while maximizing your bedroom storage potential. Elevate your space with this functional and attractive bed frame. The drawer organizer is designed to maximize your dresser space with compartments specifically for socks, underwear, and light t-shirts. This practical solution doubles your storage capacity and helps free up closet space, keeping your essentials neatly arranged and easily accessible. Upgrade your organization game with this efficient drawer organizer. The hanging cocktail bar is a compact solution that folds down to create an efficient mixing station, making it perfect for entertaining. When not in use, it tucks away neatly, saving space in your home. This stylish bar is especially ideal for holiday gatherings and parties, allowing you to serve drinks with ease and elegance. The medicine cabinet shelf is the perfect solution to declutter your bathroom counter. This handy shelf provides organized space for pill bottles, hair products, and makeup, helping you keep your essentials tidy and easily accessible. Enhance your bathroom organization with this practical addition to your medicine cabinet. The shelf dividers are designed to help you achieve neat and stable piles in your closet, making it easy to stack and organize clothes, even in tight spaces. These practical dividers keep your garments upright and accessible, enhancing your closet organization while maximizing storage efficiency. Upgrade your closet with these essential shelf dividers. The ultimate coffee machine redefines your coffee experience with an all-in-one design that includes a grinder, brewer, and scale. With 3 automation levels, it balances convenience and customization, providing precise temperature control and optimized pouring patterns for the perfect cup. Plus, exclusive gifts enhance your specialty coffee journey, making every sip enjoyable. The hanging vacuum storage bags are designed to maximize closet space while protecting your garments from moisture and odors. Featuring heavy-duty hanger rings and a triple seal turbo valve, these bags can store multiple items like suits, dresses, and jackets, keeping your clothes fresh and organized. The advanced AI robot vacuum transforms your cleaning routine with its powerful performance on carpets and hard floors. It features matrix clean navigation for comprehensive coverage and a self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of dirt. With HEPA filtration that captures 99.97% of dust and allergens, it's perfect for pet-friendly homes. The adhesive shower caddy enhances your shower space with a convenient organization solution. This set includes multiple caddies and holders for your soap and toothbrushes, accommodating all your essentials. Installation is tool-free thanks to strong adhesives, and the durable, waterproof materials resist rust while maintaining a sleek look. The 16-inch magnetic knife strip is a space-saving solution for small kitchens, made from high-quality acacia wood with powerful built-in magnets to securely hold heavy knives. Its no-drill design allows for easy installation on smooth surfaces using adhesive or screws. The strip also includes 4 hooks for hanging utensils, helping keep your kitchen organized and freeing up valuable counter space. This chic ottoman boasts luxurious linen upholstery, blending comfort and durability for a long-lasting addition to your home. It offers ample storage space for exercise equipment or extra linens, and it doubles as a footrest or additional seating for guests. Its lightweight foldable design ensures easy storage, while the thick cushioning and sturdy base provide exceptional comfort and stability. Transform your workspace with this standing desk converter, allowing easy transitions between sitting and standing. It features a spacious surface for dual monitors and a keyboard tray that raises simultaneously. With a sturdy lift assist supporting up to 33 pounds, you can effortlessly adjust the height from 4.5 to 20 inches using a simple touch mechanism for enhanced comfort and productivity. The sofa caddy is the perfect companion for your relaxation time, keeping drinks and snacks within reach. Its innovative self-balancing cup holder ensures beverages remain upright, preventing spills on soft surfaces. With a modular design, you can customize the arrangement of the 4 storage sections to suit your needs. Plus, an integrated USB-C port offers convenient charging for your devices, making it an essential addition to your lounging experience. And that was the lineup of clever gadgets for your small apartments. If you found something you loved, check the links in the description to grab it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting finds.